जब इतना दिया तुमको अपना, फिर क्यों है गिला जो चुना अपना। आजाद हूँ अब पर पंख।
Hey, what's up, guys? So I'm about to watch Manny versus what's his name, the new opponent, Yugas, Jordanis Yugas. I don't know how to pronounce his name, but yeah, man, I think Manny's gonna win. He's a legend. I haven't seen much of the other guy. Haven't really heard of him before. Just the other guy that Manny was supposed to fight had some problem with his eye, and they had to bring in the new opponent. But yeah, man, the match is about to start. Bro, this other guy, he's looking fast, to be honest, and he's also quite big compared to Pac-Man. That's a good sportsmanship. We are in round 7, and they just showed that card where they compare how many punches each fighter has thrown. Pac-Man definitely has thrown more punches, but his landing percentage was like 20, about 30%. But that doesn't matter because the amount of punches that he's throwing, overall he has landed more punches than his opponent. So if the fight goes to distance and we don't get any knockout, Pac-Man might just pull it off. What a legend, man! Like seriously, how old is he? Like 45 around, and still fighting the younger guys. It's truly amazing. Round 10. Oh shit! Oh damn, bro! Damn, bro! What a fight! Like seriously. Unlike Mayweather's fight, I know he's a legend too, but his fights are like seriously very boring. Shit, man. Becky might have lost this. Might have lost this one. Ah, yeah. So, man. That was a close fight. Let me show you guys what books I've been reading these days. If you can see here, I've got a bunch of books that I've been reading. As you probably remember, the first book that I read was Atomic Habits. After that, I read Limitless. It was quite a good book. And then I read 0 to 1. It's basically about business startups, but the way he puts it is completely different from what we have studied in business schools. After that, I studied 4 weeks, not 4 weeks, before I workbook. It's one of the most recommended books of all time. So I figured, I should read it as well. And I've learned quite a lot from it. It's a bit of an extensive book, so and there are quite few things that I haven't applied on my life yet. But there's a bunch of other stuff that has really helped me think about life in a different way. After that, I read The Psychology of Money. Again, a really good book. It has changed the way I think about money and basically about saving, compounding, and all those other things. After that, I started reading George Peterson, 12 Rules of Life, and I'll be honest, I haven't finished it because there were just too many Christianity references that I just got bored of. I read about like 300, no, not 300, about 250 pages, 8 principles. But it's actually a really good book. He goes really deep into psychology, philosophy. After this book, I started reading Moonwalking with Einstein, one of my favorite books, and also because it opened a lot of new doors for me. I started learning about memory techniques. After this, I started reading TED Talks, the official TED guide to public speaking. Obviously, it's not a book that everybody reads because I was going to start university and because I make these videos, I thought I'll be doing a lot of public speaking as well. So it's never a bad idea to learn about stuff and see how the pros do it, how they do it in TED. Yeah. So after that, I've been reading. Actually read this Memory Craft. It's a book about the history of memory, how we used to store memory, how we used to do different memory techniques from different eras, from different cultures, and different memory methods as well. And after that, I've been reading this book. Currently, I'm reading two books. One of them is this Victorious Mind, and the other one is Think Like a Monk. Oh my god, I cannot believe I finally have hit a Blitz rating of 1300. How many years have I been playing chess now? I don't know, man. But like, look at this. I've played like 3,306 Blitz game, and I've finally managed to get 1300 rating. It's a huge day for me, bro. Like, seriously. Wow, man. Like, so I just finished full body stretching, and now I'm just going to sit here for 10 minutes and do mindful meditation without music, without anything, with my eyes closed, and just sit here for 10 minutes straight. It's something that I've been doing, meditation and breathwork, and I felt like the benefits are tremendous of this exercise, not just with your mental health. I've seen improved focus, improved concentration, and better sleep as well. So yeah.
चल पड़े अब हम दो राहों पे यहाँ